Hi, I'm Tyler with Highland Surveying. A question we often get is, why do two land surveys sometimes show different results? Today, I'm going to help you understand why that happens and how it can impact your property. Before we dive in, it's important to understand why two surveyors might not always match. The truth is, boundary tracement or determination is a complex science and art. When one hires a surveyor, the client is asking them to produce a legal document with their professional opinion based on the facts. And just like any profession, opinions are formed by interpretation of those facts. So in other words, data plus interpretation equals a professional opinion. By the end of this video, you'll have a better idea of why these differences occur, what they mean for you, and how to handle them to make sure your property is accurately represented. First off, land surveying is a complex job. Surveyors work with all kinds of tools and information, from high-tech measuring equipment to old maps and legal records. We have to balance what's on the ground with property law and history. Between all the tools and information sources we work with, there are two main types of differences that we commonly run into: measurement differences and lawful differences. Measurement differences happen because no matter how advanced our tools are, there are always small factors that can cause slight variations. The science of making measurements that are repeatable and precise is intricate. Normally, measurement differences vary small, like fractions of an inch, and are nothing to worry about. They just show that the surveyor took great care in their work. The second type of difference is lawful differences. Going back to our equation, interpretation plus data equals a professional opinion, the biggest factor in lawful differences is the set of facts or data available to the surveyor for interpretation. Change the facts and the application of boundary law may change. Some of the facts that may be different could be old records, deeds, and/or physical markers on the survey property or neighboring properties. Two surveyors might have slightly different takes on how those facts line up with the legal boundaries of your property or a completely separate set of facts. In some cases, it doesn't mean one is right and one is wrong. It just shows that surveying can involve a bit of professional judgment. In most cases, both surveys are still valid. At Highland Surveying, we understand how important it is to have trustworthy results. Most of the time, any differences we find are small, normal kind that we've talked about. But if we come across bigger lawful differences, we don't jump to conclusions. Instead, we work together with the other surveyor to review all the facts and find the best solution for your property. Even when we can't work directly with another surveyor, we're always transparent. We'll explain everything clearly so you know exactly how we reached our conclusion. So when you see differences in surveys, remember it's not always a bad thing. Measurement differences are normal and show how precise surveyors are, while lawful differences come down to how we interpreted old records and laws and available facts. At Highland Surveying, we're committed to making sure we have gathered the facts necessary to have a confidence in your boundary retracement. And we'll always keep you informed every step of the way. Thanks for watching. We hope we help you understand the differences in surveys and what they can mean for you and your property.